Christina G here, and this is my artistry. You're looking at a canvas that is 3 feet by 4 feet, so it's quite large. It's the biggest canvas I've done yet, and we're gonna play with some ocean colors. I'm showing on the screen what the colors are. The white I'm going to actually swipe with, and to do that I'm going to add some silicone to it just to create a lot of cells. And a little bit more. Stir that up. Keep stirring. Shouldn't stir it too much, just a little bit. Okay, I am wearing shorts. You see my knees, yes. So to do the technique today, we're going to use this cardboard piece and some other paper to swipe it. Let's get started. This starts to look really messy, but it's a lot of fun. Other artists might do this with laying the paint out precisely. I thought I would try this kind of scribble messy technique. Really, I'm just playing around having fun. I don't think there's any right or wrong way to do it, so I just poured it on. I just didn't want it to be so perfectly symmetrical. I was running out of paint actually, but I think there's enough on there that when I do swipe, it'll work out fine. I actually had to add more silicone and white there, and so I had enough to swipe with. So here's the cardboard piece, and this is going to be in the real-time speed here, this swipe, so you can see how slow I go with it. Okay, let's speed this up. I'm just using good old-fashioned construction paper here and swiping. I actually liked the construction paper better because I think it was more porous than that cardboard piece that I used earlier. So torching, getting a little of those air bubbles out, but I also felt like the white was too white and I wanted to break it up a little bit. So I started to swipe the other direction just to give it some more dimension. I didn't want to torch too much because I don't want to break up the cells anymore. So I just did the white area with the torch to pop any of those extra bubbles. And here it is, all in its glory. I'm happy with how this came out. I'm going to bring you a little bit closer so you can see the cells. Came out really neat. I'm going to show you next how it looks when it's dry, but I'm happy with the way this came out. It's very abstract, it's unique. So here's what it looks like dry, and the colors really change when they dry. They get darker, but look how pretty. Now here, there was a pool of paint and it just spread out heavily. It happens. I had it level when it was drying, but look, there it is, hung on a wall. I'm happy with it. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Thanks. Bye.